want to see that shoot, yeah? Hey, big, bad, it's a epic. You hear me? We can't want to see it. So as men say, we will subscribe. We will book next media for
yeah. You see what she hot people and sexy.
We're risking it, guys. We're going in the water with the pants. All the pants that I've got to wear back home. Catch a tat. Y'all see the tat?
If you don't know the story, you can call Videographyer go to next media.
Yeah, people. Don't know say next media, man. And see how I look happy. Because I can feel that today going to be a bomber shoot. Make sure you subscribe, you see it. Yeah. Yeah, so official ambassador, you see it. Deja.
I'm going into my change.
Okay, Deja. Alright, so I'm going to set up over here, so.
Alright.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, guys, so, the model, so she gonna change off. You see it? So me now, me have my equipment them right here. So me actually like set up my equipment them now and thing. Yeah man, big up on yourself. Hopefully you enjoy the vlog here as usual. Dex Media. I have a Dex Media shirt. Yeah, you know, say I'm mad rat. Alright. So this is the stand. I need to find my bracket. Camera right here. My powerful flash is in this. Yep. And this is the C bracket. S bracket.
Babe,
Yeah, what's up?
so you're looking at the camera.
Hi.
Okay.
Up.
Big bad photographer.
Yeah, Dex Media.
Yeah, Dex Media people.
Bye bye.
Book. Right through.
The people starting cancel already, I know. So we have an 80 to 100 and a gold up lighting system. Yeah, and the model well dolled up and everything. Yeah, she's our ambassador, people. You see it? Yeah, she represents this Dex Media for much years now. So as I can say, one of the best thing, one of the things I need for doing the photo shoot, clean up on the area. Yeah, like I see this bag right here, I move the area. Cause it's good to take do a shoot and get everything right in camera. She just go under herself saying, man. Danger. Yeah. Yeah, man, I'm so excited about this shoot today. I'm not telling a lie. Yeah, I'm so excited. Yeah. So, should I take 2 pictures of that?
That's not monster. Snapping.
Okay. I'll try help me the light. She must help me to that one. Oh, she's doing the snapping. Okay.
Snapping the blind.
Yeah. If people so they can see, this is a very nice area. Right there. And get the trees in the back. And the beautiful atmosphere. Yeah. Alright, you ready?
Ooh, I like that. This I really catch a tat. Y'all see the tat? I do. That one did I see the put on this side
Yeah.
Yes. That's what it's doing. Listen to me, guys. I am geeked, okay? Like the water give though. Like when I go in there, but when I go up from here, I have to carry the carry the wet foot pants.
Wow.
I mean, it's just a foot pants now, Kim. We're going in. We're risking it, guys. We're going in the water with the pants, all the pants that I brought to wear back home.
Alright people, so after such a wonderful day, I tell us that shoot you're mad. And she herself will tell you what one.
Yes guys,
Yeah.
the shorts still off.
Ah,
Me,
tell you.
God myself, and Dex God himself. You know what I say? Gonna make sure you're to subscribe and book Dex Media.
Yeah.
Biggest and best pictures.
Oh.
Wait, no,
Still shots?
Sorry.
No.
Yeah, this I give. This is
So
the
again, like a vibe. Alright people, so we have the beautiful mother right here, you know, man. She not even need an introduction because I know someone who know her. Deja.
Hi guys, Deja Vu in the
Yeah.
building. So yeah guys, I'm telling you that short here, a big body, it's like epic. You hear
Yeah,
me?
nah,
We
tell
have
her.
camera for the seed. So as I say, you must subscribe. Remember to book Dex Media for the
Yeah.
participation.
You see how she add people and sexy? up. Yeah, man. Listen to what she say. One thing. Yeah, look at the picture then again. Yeah. Do it.
Listen to me, guys. Them pictures. No, man, me come. You know, all next go through standing
there. They say them is a bomb.
Listen to me, man. Oh my God. Go on there.
That's it. Trouble. Yeah. Yeah, people. So if you remember, so if you subscribe and see Dex Media. You see it, yeah. Big up on yourself, you see it. And thanks for watching the video here. You see it, yeah. Dex Media out.